In addition, he has been and remains one of the foremost leaders in public service, historic preservation, transportation-related cultural resource management, and in student education across the nation. Among his many research accomplishments, the nominators suggested three stand out particularly. First, along with Randy Hughes, formerly of the Illinois Geological Survey, Tom helped develop a new archaeometric technique for determining mineral spectra using laser light, the portable infrared mineral analyzer. We should have had that here. Show everybody. Tom and his colleagues then perfected this technique and applied it to a series of ancient pipestones. The results including a flurry of publications establishing for the first time that elaborate carved stone figures associated with the ancient American Indian city of Cahokia were made from one source near that city, and that many of the 2,000-year-old Hopewell culture pipes that ended up actually in Ohio were made by people in Illinois. The effects of these two studies, published in numerous journal articles, and the interpretation of the cultural history and ancient economy of the American mid-continent have been profound. The second major contribution has been Tom's writing on Cahokian ideology and symbolism. It's changed the study of both pre-Columbian period in North America, known as the Mississippian era, and the study of complex society generally around the world. His works on this topic are must-reads for all serious students of Eastern Woodlands archaeology. Indeed, he is recognized internationally for his work on the symbolism and imagery of the Mississippians, especially as they're connected both to the rise and fall of Cahokia and to the emergence of ethnic tribalism, a phenomenon with significant contemporary relevance, I think. As evidence of this recognition, he and the Archaeological Survey have been invited to 3 global forums in Shanghai in recent years and received an award from that body in 2015. The third area that the nominators recognized was his efforts at complementing more humanistic studies of religion and symbolism in his latest and possibly greatest research effort. No pressure there, Bob.
I'd like to meet this guy sometime.
I had a comment there, but I was told to be on my best behavior, and I'm going to stick to it. This multi-year study is yet underway, but it's already revolutionizing the understanding of the regional demography of pre-contact North America. Mobilizing other researchers and the staff at ISAS, Dr. Emerson has been reanalyzing the isotopic terrain of the American Midwest, especially as it's involved in the rise of Cahokia, including the famous Mound 72 burial mound. Data are in hand that will put current theorizing about dietary basis, population diversity, multiple ethnicities, and migrations into and out of the Cahokia world on a firm footing, ultimately changing the way archaeologists around the world think about the foundation of this ancient urbanism. All 3 scholarly bodies of work are remarkable for their scientific robustness and for their sweeping character. All 3 are well represented in the highest caliber journals, including the National Academy of Sciences, the Journal of Archaeological Science, and American Antiquity. Tom's scholarly productivity is simply remarkable, with numerous single-authored and edited academic press books to his name, and his scholarly legacy is profound. The nominators go on to say, yet this is just one side of Dr. Emerson's overall legacy as an archaeologist and public servant. Not mentioned is his early work at the Illinois Historic Preservation Agency in getting key pieces of preservation legislation on the books, his oversight of the largest archaeological excavation in the East St. Louis area in the state of Illinois, his past and ongoing editorial direction of several archaeological journals, his organization of numerous conferences and symposia, as well as his mentoring of dozens of junior colleagues and students. I'm honored, truly honored, to present the inaugural PRI Distinguished Research Scientist Award to Dr. Thomas E. Emerson.
I want to acknowledge that you never do it by yourself. I've done it with hundreds of other colleagues who have been collaborative, and one of the best things in my life, I think, is we've had these collaborative teams of people, and that's how we've gotten this research done. You know, all I'll say is that the day of the lone scientist is long past. It's really all teamwork, and I want to acknowledge all their work and thank them.